Now you have learned the flow of a transaction that is actually driving into the DUT, and now you need to see how a transaction that is monitored in the DUT interface by a monitor is put into a scoreboard. For that, there need to be an analysis port in the monitor and an analysis port in the agent and an analysis export in the scoreboard. So the difference between the driver part and the monitor part is the sequencer and the driver port and export implementation was already supplied with the UVM base class sequencer and driver, but there is no such default implementation of the monitor analysis port or scoreboard analysis export. You have to explicitly add your own analysis port to your own monitor class, and you have to add the analysis export to your scoreboard class. Now we will see the details. So the first part is defining your own analysis port in the monitor. So in the UVM monitor, this is how you will add an analysis port. Like UVM analysis port, you should parameterize that particular class instance with the type of transaction that is flowing through this analysis port, and you can give the name of the analysis port. So AXI WR port is a name that is given, which is this green circle. Now in the monitor run phase task, whenever a valid transaction is detected in the monitor interface, this monitor will write the transaction to this analysis port. So it is done by analysis port dot write function. So it will supply this transaction to the analysis port. So many type of connection is possible from the analysis port in the monitor to its final implementation. It can be like the direct connection from the port to the final implementation, or it can be like analysis port is connected to an analysis export which is connected to an implementation, or it can be like analysis port in the monitor is connected to an analysis port in the agent which is eventually connected to an analysis export in the scoreboard, and which will finally provide an implementation of the analysis export. So here we will be following the third connection pattern. Instead of directly connecting the monitor analysis port, we will be supplying additional analysis port in the agent just to make your design more modularized. Thus we have to add an analysis port in the agent class. So in the agent class you will be adding an UVM analysis port parameterized with the transaction type, giving a particular name. So here AXIWR port is this particular green circle present in the UVM agent, and in the UVM agent connect phase function you should connect these ports together, these analysis ports together. So you can see that this is a default connection which is needed to connect the sequencer and driver in the agent, and after that you also need to connect the monitor analysis port to the agent analysis port. So AXI master monitor dot analysis a port dot connect to the analysis a port within this agent. So this connection is made in the agent. Next is analysis component in the scoreboard. So in the scoreboard there should be an analysis export which is again parameterized with the type of transaction. So you can see that UVM analysis export is instantiated with the name AXIWR export. Now for every analysis port or analysis export connections, there should be a final termination point which is called an implementation of the analysis component. So you have to supply the implementation of the analysis port or analysis export, which is the termination point. So for that there are two options. Either you can write your own implementations for the analysis export, or you can instantiate a built-in UVM TLM analysis FIFO which is providing an implementation for the analysis export. So this method makes your life little more easier. If you are instantiating an object of a UVM TLM analysis FIFO, there is a built-in implementation of an analysis export under the name analysis underscore export. So what you need to do is you just need to connect your own analysis export in the scoreboard to the analysis export implementation in the TLM analysis FIFO. Again, this connection you have to make in the connect phase function within the scoreboard. So if you see this picture, this is analysis export which is AXIWR export, and finally in the connect phase function of the UVM scoreboard you have to connect this analysis export to a final implementation, and here that is achieved by using a TLM analysis FIFO AXIWR. Now you have an analysis export in the scoreboard, and you have to connect this analysis export to the analysis port in the agent. So you can see that this is your analysis port in the monitor, which is connected to the analysis port in the agent within the agent itself, and you have to make this connection between the analysis port in the agent to the analysis export in the scoreboard. So these two components, that is the agent and the scoreboard, is available only in the environment. Thus this particular connection can be made only in the env class, so the environment class. In the connect phase function of the environment class, you will be connecting the agent.analysis port to the scoreboard.analysis export, which will make this connection possible. So this will complete the data flow from the monitor through its own analysis port to the agent analysis port, again from the agent analysis port you scoreboard analysis export, which will eventually go to the implementation of the analysis export in the scoreboard. Finally, this slide can be used as a reference for any questions you come across with you when you make a connections between two components. I am summarizing the whole flow again. In the agent class, there are two connections needed. The connection between the sequencer and the driver, it is made by the inbuilt sequence item port in the driver and the inbuilt sequence item export in the sequencer. Now again in the agent, you have to connect the monitor A port to the agent A port, and these two A ports are again user defined A ports. So two connections are needed in the agent: the connection between the sequencer and the driver, and the monitor A port to the agent A port. Now in the scoreboard, you have to supply an implementation. There should be a final analysis export, and you should supply an implementation for the analysis export. And in the connect phase function of the scoreboard, you will be connecting the analysis export in the scoreboard to its final implementation. For easiness, you can use a inbuilt UVM TLM analysis class, which is providing an implementation of the export. And also, in a class where both the scoreboard and agent are available, you need to make a connection between the agent A port to the scoreboard analysis export. That is made in the environment connect phase function by using the agent.aport dot connect to the scoreboard.analysis export. So this is a whole picture. I hope this connection picture is clear for you now.